Okay, so I'm gonna just talk and hope that y'all can hear me. And if y'all can't, I'll just do a voiceover. But today we're gonna do a little DIY. I already tried to sand this by hand, and it was a huge fail. It wasn't a fail, it was just too time consuming. Like, I don't know if y'all can even see the top. But all of this I did by hand, and it just took too long. My arms was on fire, and it was just too much. So I decided to order a hand sander, like an electric sander, which is what that is in that box. And then I also got some little knobs. I ordered some scissors. I don't know why I ordered scissors, but I just realized I didn't have no scissors, so I ordered some. And then I also got like some wood filler, because I'm gonna end up filling these outer holes and just using these two or whatever. I'm gonna attempt to do. I've never used a hand like an electric sander before, so I just hope it's not too loud, because it is. I don't know what time it is, but it's night and I don't want to be too loud. This is why I ordered scissors, because I literally don't have any. It's so funny though, because if y'all don't know, I work at Amazon, and I don't know, something about these barcodes or whatever, they just make my skin itch now, because I get sick of seeing them, because I steal it every day, and then I still go order from Amazon. So this dresser was gifted to me from my cousin. I was gonna buy my own dresser set, but since she didn't want it anymore, well, she moved, so since she moved, she let me have this set. So I was like, you know what, let me just do a little DIY and only spend like maybe $100 versus spending like almost $1,000 on a whole dresser set. So yeah, so the only reason the dresser and stuff is in here is, like I said, I need to sand it and paint it and stuff before I put it in my room. I don't have no type of glasses or nothing. I don't think I'll be smoke just flying everywhere. You know, I said smoke. Y'all, let me just show up. So yeah, this is the part I just did, and you can definitely see a difference between this and what I did by hand. Even though I think it's just super dusty though, but look how nice and like white it looks. Okay, y'all, so I ended up changing it to an 80. I don't know if y'all know anything about sandpaper, but I think the lower the number, like the rougher the sandpaper is, and an 80 is working. But why something just shot into my arm? I'm not gonna do too much talking in this video. I really didn't do much talking at all, but this process took me, I think I started on Thursday. No, I started Friday, and I was done I think Monday morning. By sometime, no, I finished it Sunday, I think. Sunday or Monday, so it didn't take me too long. I actually had fun doing it. The worst part was me cleaning my living room afterwards. Like, it was dust literally everywhere. I ended up putting on a scarf and some glasses and a mask, because it was literally dust flying everywhere and I couldn't see. I wish I could have saw my lashes afterwards, but I'm gonna just let y'all watch so y'all can see the finished results. Y'all love the way these pieces turned out. And yeah, if you guys are still watching, even though it's not too far into the video, make sure you guys like this video and subscribe to my channel, because I will be uploading a video on the cleaning process and me actually building my living room. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss those videos. I do plan to do my fully furnished tour, but there are still like a few decor pieces I want to add. So once I find like the perfect pieces for my home, then I will go ahead and get that tour uploaded for you guys. But let me know how you guys will feel about vlogs. I really want to take vlogging serious. I still will do the makeup tutorials and hair videos or whatever, but I kind of want to do like get ready with me, like just a bunch of other things versus just sitting down and recording myself do makeup. So let me know how you guys will feel about that. Okay, yeah, I got on a mask, so if I sound different, that's why. But so this is pretty much what I did on the other dresser. Pretty much got this one done. Oh my god, pretty much got this one done, but I still have to go in and do this. It's kind of hard to do though, because it has like that little groove in it. But other than that, that piece is done. And then we just did the side of this, the top, And then now I'm getting ready to do the other side, and then I'm gonna go in and do like that and like little in between things. When I say, this little sander is so loud. I literally had to just make myself get up in the mornings to go ahead and start on it because I didn't want to keep my neighbors or anybody up. But yeah, I really, really love how it turned out. Oh my god, y'all, make sure y'all keep watching. Okay, y'all, so quick update. This is the wood filler that I use to fill these outer holes because like I told y'all, I only want to use these two. So I've been using this from Elmer's, and I actually did that part last night, but I actually had to go buy like some hand sanders, like the little, hold on, these little things, because it's too hard to like get in these little grooves with the electric one. So you know, I tried it with this, but you can see like I still need to go back in and do it. So I still got to do the other drawers for the tile dresser over there. But yeah, I'm also going to do this part by hand because like with this little groove that's in there, it's really hard to get with the electric. It's really hard to get with the electric sander as well. So after we do the little, the top and bottom, and then also got to do that top and bottom, and then around the perimeter of the drawers, then we'll be done. Okay, y'all, so at this point, I just pretty much told myself I don't want to sand anything else. I'm tired of sanding. I've been sanding now for like 3 days, and I didn't do the perimeter. I didn't do the perimeter of some of the drawers because, like I said, it's just too hard to get like in here, and it's getting on my nerves. So I'm over it at this point. So that's pretty much all I'm gonna do. But I do want to kind of finish this part because I don't want it to look uneven. I don't really care about the sides of the dresser. I care more so about the front, but I haven't really done anything on the front of that one, so I'm not gonna do anything on it. But this one, I do kind of want to finish. Y'all ignore my dead flowers. I need to take them out of there. But I do need to finish that, and then after that, y'all, I'm gonna start painting because I'm just over it. But I do need to go in and fill the rest of these outer holes or whatever, so I'm gonna do that real quick. And then I do need to go back over those because I already filled those, but they need to be sanded again. So yeah, I'm tired. I'm over this dresser. I just want it done and out my living room so I can go ahead and get my furniture. My furniture is here, by the way. I don't know if I told y'all that. I just have to go pick it up. But yeah, I'm just ready to like have my apartment come fully together. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I did get all of my supplies that I use from Lowe's. If you want the exact color of this paint though, I make sure I put it down below in the description box because it turned out to be like the perfect shade of gray that I wanted. I was kind of scared it was gonna give off that like baby blue type of undertone, but no, it actually turned out really good. So I'll put that down below, but you can get paint from anywhere, y'all. I paid like maybe $30 for this can of paint, and I didn't even use half of it, and I did 2 coats on like each piece, including the drawers. So a little bit went a long way. Also, as you guys saw, there were some parts that I decided not to sand because I was just over it. I had been sanding for a long time and it was just too much. So I just painted over it, as you guys can see, and it took pretty well. Like, it's still stuck and everything. And I did 2 coats over those pieces too that weren't sanded, and it still looked even. Like, everything looked nice. So I really could have got away without sanding it, and I'm kind of mad I didn't know that until afterwards. But I'm happy I did because you still could tell that it adhered to the furniture better after it was sanded. ordered these knobs from Amazon. I think I paid maybe $20 or less, I believe, for like 26 knobs. Super cute. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen these before. But yeah, I know I keep saying it, but I just really love how it turned out. I'm really proud of myself, because I painted my room at my mom's house before I moved, obviously, and I told myself I would never in my life paint again because it just took too much out of me. But I really did have fun doing this, like I really did. However, for the tile dresser, it's just the furniture that I have, so if you get these, you may not have the same issue. But I had to go buy some longer nails for it, because the nails that came with it and the ones that came with the actual dresser, for some reason they didn't screw in all the way to these knobs. So, but I'll link the knobs below too. I low-key was struggling so hard to get the long dresser in my room. The pieces were not heavy at all without the drawers. Y'all, it's so crazy how heavy these drawers are. But I ended up having to like flip the dresser up on its side for it to fit, because there was no way I can swing it in here, y'all. Like, I didn't scrape paint off my wall and everything. I'm like, thank God this dresser is damn near the same color as my wall, because now I got some paint to put over it because they're not going to charge me for it. But yeah, I was struggling, but I got it done, and that's just the type of woman I am. I get anything done, period. No, but for real, so the drawers started pissing me off. I caught myself labeling them like 1 through 3 on each side, so I know where to put them back at, but I didn't really think they were different sizes. But some of them like didn't want to go in straight, one of them didn't want to go in at all, and then one of them went in, but it was kind of lean. Like, I don't know what was going on, but y'all, I just really got irritated. Look. So like I said several times before, I really love how the pieces turned out. I'm just so in love. Like, I'm so happy I thought to get these knobs, because I don't know what I had in mind, but this just wasn't my initial thought. But like, yeah, I'm just really happy with how it turned out. Perfect color, everything. So yeah, make sure you guys subscribe. I'm gonna upload the video right after this on me cleaning and building my living room. So make sure you subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I appreciate you guys, and I will see you in my next video.